Hello, I am Gezi Kiki, and today I'm presenting AI in academia, pros and cons. What is AI? AI is actually stands for artificial intelligence that takes human information based on the information it is allowed to access and gives it to the user. AI can also perform certain programs and actions that is programmed to do. Let's like if AI, if you wonder what time is it, you might ask AI and AI will give it to you. Or if you want to set up, or AI can send a text to your phone whenever you want something done, it can do that for you as well. It's important to know that AI is not original information. It cannot generate any original information. All information AI is giving you is coming from somewhere created by a human. AI is just a second hand and giving you the actual information. The different types of AI. My first encounter with AI was in Super Mario Kart when I was playing the AI, which was just a bunch of simple, basic programmable instructions the AI would follow in order to give me a second person to play against in a video game. But as time went on, newer AI began to be developed, and better technology allowed for more uses, such as Siri and Alexa, which is pretty simple. And they would only answer in simple questions and could not answer too many different things. And currently with technology advancing, we have AI like ChatGPT and Gemini, which have which have really detailed oriented questions, and you could ask almost anything you need from ChatGPT or Gemini. Pros in AI. The pros in AI is increased productivity, and this creates supplemental content and cuts out the busy work that one does not need to do. In doing this, you put more time and energy and you focus on the things that really do matter. You can focus on the substance of what you're doing rather than the organization around what you're doing. And it also increases the specialty in niche topics. AI has the access of the World Wide Web and could access anything that's on the internet as a resource as long as it's programmed to be a part of the source. But there's not too many topics that are not somewhere on the internet that AI can't do. Expert understanding in any topic is also another pro of having AI. AI has immediate feedback with any situation you ask it for and can provide expert feedback on these things and give you a realistic answer to any hypothetical question you might be asking. The cons of AI. AI replaces jobs of those doing busy work, example, data entry and copy. In doing this, it just eliminates some jobs that might have been needed to do just because with minimal skill, but it's just is taking away from those jobs, and it's bringing in quicker time, but it's taking away from these jobs. Also, plagiarism is a big thing. It's so easy to ask AI to generate an answers to do the work for you instead of actually learn how to do it yourself. And this also decreases human interaction. And having AI is something you would typically ask somebody else for. You would just ask AI and do it yourself. There are a lot of things you could just do yourself now without having to ask for help from other people and network. And because of AI, which is a good and bad thing, you just might not see as many people, you might not need as many people. And it just condenses things down. AI, how AI should be used. AI is a tool. Anything more and you're losing the learning experience. Anything less and you're not fully utilizing its benefits. As I said previously, AI can be very helpful and it's meant to add to your brain power. AI is meant to be supplemental on top of what you know and what you can do. AI is meant to help organizational things and help you point in the direction of where you want to go, but you have to put the actual work in to moving and actually going to where you want to go once AI has gave you the direction of where to go. AI should be used responsibly, and by using AI responsibly, you can get the best out of both worlds, having an efficient and organized pattern while minimizing the amount of time and energy you're spending working on things when you could be spending more time and energy putting into the substance of what you're doing rather than the organizational patterns. At the end of the day, AI has a lot of useful benefits and can do a lot for society. The power really lies in the beholder. And AI, the information that AI gives you is not typically in particular special. It's really what you do with the information you get from AI. You can do a lot of good things. You can start a business, self-improvement, and help you with difficult homeworks. But the information from the AI alone won't do too much in your life. But you can do a lot of different things with the information if you actually use it accordingly. AI can also make the user succumb to averageness, but it's important to just use it as a tool. It can be a crutch if you let it be a crutch. If you use it too much, you won't know how to do anything else. But it could be a very important and helpful tool. I guess the irony in this assignment, some people will use AI to do this, but I guess it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. It's here, it's an option, it's a tool, and there are going to be people who are going to misuse it, but there are going to be people who use it to do a lot of good. And a lot of good is going to come out of this, regardless of whatever happens. And as we continue to age, technology will improve in AI will get better and better and become more efficient. Thank you.